there's couple vintage Columbia rivers. This is Hog Dog, D-O-G, 4504, 4514. The only difference between these two is serration. These things are awesome. This is by design, G and G Hog. So let's open it up. So what we got here, you push on this too and open it. You see, I guess you can kind of push it with one hand, but I think it's much easier to push it with two hands. You see, there's a lock, whole thing slides down, and partially serrated, and GW Hog Dog, really vintage one. Same thing right here, beautiful, brand new. Look at that little handle. So same knives, just one is serrated, one is not serrated. Depends of the whatever is available. Sometimes harder to get one or the other one, but in the new condition it's really hard to find. So as you can see, you just push on this one and this one kind of at the same time, and you flick it out. And to close it, you push on that. Maybe kind of have to do it with two hands. Look left-handed. That's why I couldn't do it with left hand. There you go. And you could just slowly pull it out, open it. But yeah, look at that handle. It's really nice and bulky at the bottom. Very comfortable to hold. That's nice. So yeah, push it, close it. Very interesting design on the lock. You see right here. So yeah, very cool mechanism. One of the best designers right there, GW Hog. So this is some of the most iconic CRKTs from vintage ones. If you collect some of them, definitely look out for this.